You're looking at a Kawasaki Bayou. Well, I'm working on my own unit, and I have out here a new starter. The old starter is in there. Now, when you first look at this thing, this isn't totally in the way. It's up here. So you've got to get the bolts out of that manifold thing that curves around and hooks into the front of the engine. See that stud sticking out? You got to take that loose, and you got to take that thing there loose. That bolt right there. And you're gonna need this stuff here, PB blaster or something. Loosen up that thing, and you're gonna need some tools, wrenches. The toughest thing I've ran into so far, I pulled out one of the screws that hold the, this goes in here on the old one, the screw, 8mm. Well, the toughest thing is when you go get the old one out. I haven't done this yet, but you see where I got that wrench. See where I notched it. Took a screwdriver, stuck it in here, and I hit it with a hammer and broke a corner of this. It's a teeny tiny bit of this venting. I forget what they call these, but these little guys here, these fins on the engine, the cooling fins, I guess you'd call them. Why I broke a corner of them off, because there's no way to get that socket in there without breaking that, unless you got some special tool. And I even tried one of those, no way, wasn't gonna happen. So I did it that way, and that might help somebody. Change your starter on Kawasaki engine. Looks like it's just 2 bolts, but getting to them, you're gonna have to work. I haven't taken the rest of this out yet, but so far that looks like it's the most critical part. And you see that there's a line going across here in front of this thing, so I'm sure we're going to be really careful with this line. Fuel line, I think it is, or something. Quite a few of these things running through here, so you gotta be real careful around stuff like that. You don't break it. All right, hope to help. This is Dave. I'm a handyman, and I'm working on my own toys today.